That is the legendary Bob's Big Boy right there. I made it. I'm going to show you how to make it. But first, I'm going to have to tell you a little bit about the history of this thing, because this thing, when they say legendary, they mean this burger. This thing started it all. And you probably don't know the half of it. So I'm going to give you a quick history lesson on this thing. It'll be quick, I promise. There's chapters down there. If you want to switch to the next thing, you can go do that if you want to and just watch me cook it, assemble it, and eat it. But otherwise, let's get started with the history. In 1936, Bob Wian started Bob's Pantry. He invented the Big Boy burger and put Bob's Big Boy on the map with that burger. They expanded quickly. They had drive-in service. They were up and coming. They were hot in the car culture of the 50s. It was amazing. This incredible diner would go on to be, legendary and famous. The original one, or one of the originals, in Burbank still exists. The rest basically are owned by the Big Boy group now, because Bob sold the name to like 40 different people, and this is one confusing story. I'm just going to stick to the burger because it's amazing. The rest of the menu still exists. If you find a Big Boy, go there and enjoy their food. And with that said, let's get back to making a burger. Making the legendary Big Boy burger is pretty simple. We're going to toast some buns. You need 3 of them for this because it does have the middle club piece. I'm not using a special bun that's extra tall, so I'm using an extra heel from a different bun. Just get those toasted up. Now we've got this pan, as you can tell, smoking hot. We've got 3-ounce balls of meat. We are going to smash these like a regular smash burger because this is diner food. They would have done this as fast as possible. And smashing food like this makes it cook faster and more delicious, because Bob might not have known what the Maillard effect was, but it didn't mean that the Maillard effect doesn't know what Bob's is. So we get that by smashing this against the hot pan. It caramelizes all that wonderfulness in there, the fats and everything. Get all that beautiful browning and crispiness and deliciousness that you know. A little salt, little pepper is the only seasoning on these things. It is classic as it gets. After a minute, these are ready to flip. Just give them a little bit more. We're going to put a little bit more salt and pepper and 30 more seconds on this side, and these suckers are done. Let's go make a burger. All right, we got everything cooked. Let's assemble our Bob's Big Boy. Let's do this here. We got our 2 patties cooked. We've got our heel, our club, and our crown. They're all ready to go. How can you tell the difference? That one has a bit of a crisp on it, or no, that's the one. There you go. Okay, that's the club. This is the heel. So we put a little mayo down first. Now, there's the historic way of making this, and then there's the modern way of making this. And Bob's has always been famous for being able to get basically anything you want. So you tell them how you want it, and you can get it that way. That's cool. This is supposed to be kind of the traditional way of doing this. I'm going to stop rocking back and forth because somebody's getting seasick. I know it. All right. So we are going to put down our shredded lettuce down here. We've got a slice of American cheese. Yes, this is one of the Kraft slices in the thing with the, it's not, there is better American cheese in the world. I'm just saying. Okay, we've got a patty going down on this thing. We've got our club, the middle bun going down. Okay, so they cheat. They use big, tall buns and they cut them twice. I don't have that, so I'm using an extra bottom. All right, we have this one going down, and then the secret, I didn't get the sauce out of the fridge yet. Hold on one second. You saw how we made the relish. If you didn't, I might not have shown that yet. I'll stand here and show you. This is a really hard recipe to come by. It is equal parts ketchup, chili sauce, and sweet relish. Don't believe any other recipe. I did my homework. That is correct. Okay, there we go. Now you've seen that part of the video. There is another video for that in case you want to watch a standalone, but you've seen that now, so you don't have to. You're welcome. All right, so we are putting down our Bob's Red Relish. We're putting down a fair amount of it right there. We are putting down our top bun, and we have ourselves a Big Boy right there. The burger that started it all, the 1930s classic that just came out of nowhere, took the world by storm, inspired generations, cured cancer, and gave us world peace. Other than that, it didn't really do much. It might not have cured cancer or given us world peace, considering none of those things have happened yet. But it could happen, and if it does, I'm putting my money on the big boy. Oh, see the big boy. Oh, it's old big boyish. See that? This thing is legendary, and you always got this with a side of fries, so you're gonna have to wait one more second. Side of fries, right out of the deep fryer, just like they would have done it, because authenticity is everything around here, except when it isn't, and then sometimes it can't be. But today, those aren't the right fries, so just bear with me, folks. I got the right paper. At least I got the right paper. Come on. There's your big boy right there. Am I going to taste it? Heck yeah. Am I going to take the thumbnail shots first? Heck yeah. Hold on. All right, I'm back. It's time to dig into this thing, and I'm excited about this because I haven't had one of these in forever, because Bob's Big Boy used to be all over the place, and now there's like a couple locations left. Still doing it. If you find yourself in Norco or Pasadena or Burbank or someplace, there's a couple of them. Anyways, if you find yourself in one of those places, stop in and get a Big Boy. They have the Super Big Boy too, by the way. It has double patties on it. Yeah, you know that, but I didn't make that. I made the regular Big Boy because this is the one that started it all. This is the thing that inspired everything, and I'm doing the swing thing again. I'm sorry. I'm just so excited. I'm so hungry. All right, digging in. And yeah, okay, I have it right side up. Good. I don't want to get yelled at in the comment section. Oh my God. That chili sauce is just so good. Seriously, that is so friggin' magical. And the best part is, when it's dripping all over the place, you dip the fries in it. Oh, okay, I know I'm supposed to say thanks for watching everything, but I won't keep eating this thing. You don't mind, do you? You do? Okay, never mind, fine. I'll do it on my time. Great. This is a fun video. I still have chili sauce in my mouth, don't I? Alright, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Maybe I'll edit that part out. Sorry, I had to edit that part out. I lost my train of thought. That burger's just that good. I love making stuff like this. When it brings back childhood memories, it's fantastic. And that's what I'm trying to do with these videos here, is bring back those childhood memories you may have had. If you've got one that you want to see done here, I'll see what I can do. Leave me a comment below. This came from the comments. I've been getting a comment about doing the Bob's Big Boy for, about a year or so now or more. Might be the same guy that keeps sending it. If so, you're welcome. There you go. Now we know how to make the relish. That was the sticking part. The rest of this is basically, pretty simple. It's a Big Mac. But that relish was hard to figure out, and now you know, and the world knows, and you're welcome for that. And speaking of you're welcome to come back anytime you want. Smooth transitions. That's what we're all about here at How to Cook. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll get to see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye.